the bike show. Really excited. We do it every year. Like I said, I'm just off to there now, nice and early. See what bargains we can get.
Is there anything in particular you're after in the show?
Possibly a padded check shirt. Quite fancy the look of them. See what they've got up here, and maybe a new crash helmet. I've got a nice new open face one, but I don't need full face helmet. One I've got probably had about 7 years. So comfortable, but just not found anything that I really like. So if I see something, I'll get it. So we're just about to go into the NEC for the bike show. We'll tell you a bit more about it on time. I love sort of just pants down.
What do you think of it?
This is quite nice actually. Feet on the way, quite a nice position, nice colours.
I only went for a lap which Michael led. I overtook him on lap 2 and he got stopped again and decided to call out a result of that. So Michael Rutter got the win after 1 lap, which never really happens in bike racing.
Hi, so that's the NEC done. Really good as always. This is probably the 5th year we've been coming. A little bit disappointed with the ladies selection. Again, as always, wanted to get a check padded jacket. Tried on the men's small, but it just doesn't fit quite right. So another talking topic, I guess. Thank you very much. Bye. So thought we'd take a little detour. I wonder where we are. So we're at Hinckley. I don't know if that gives anyone a clue, so here we are. Triumph! Just thought, whilst we're up here, would have been here I think once before. So this is the Triumph factory. Got a little cafe, it's got some memorabilia, got a museum. What more could I go want?